Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn an class 9 English chapter collectors question and answers, and this is part 2 of this question and answer session. Part 1 was already uploaded in my channel, and the explanation of the chapter and the question answer part 1 video link will be shared in the description box for your convenience. So let's move on to the question answers of part 2. But before that, students, if you're viewing my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my all the upcoming videos. Do watch the video till end, and if you like it, hit the like button and also share with your friends. So, moving on to the question answers, we were about to discuss C2 question answers, that is work in pairs and answer the following questions. Compare your answers with those written by others. So this is the heading which is given in your textbook. Under that first question, what circumstances forced the party to take shelter in the spaceship? So we have already gone through the chapter, students, and we know that the group of students and teachers were out for a adventure walk, and so that group of teacher and student is known as party here. And what was the reason? What was the situation that forced this party, this group of students and teachers, to take shelter in the spaceship? Okay, so the answer is the six children and the three teachers were out for an adventure walk. Suddenly it started to rain heavily, and all were drenched, and the village was 3 miles away. So they decided to take shelter in the spaceship. They were not aware that the house they were taking shelter was in fact a spaceship. As students, we have already learned in the chapter that the six children and these three teachers, they were a group of students and teachers. They were out for an adventure walk, and they were when they were about some 3 miles away from the village on their adventure walk, and it started to rain very heavily, and all were drenched. And so they decided to take shelter in the spaceship, which was just nearby there, and they were not aware that the house they were going to take shelter was in fact a spaceship. Thus, this was the circumstance under which the party was forced to take the shelter in the spaceship. Okay, so this is how you can write it. Now, moving on to the next question. List the things that made the children feel uncomfortable in the kitchen. So we also come to know when we read the chapter that the children, when they were sitting in the house where they had taken the shelter, and they were made to sit in the kitchen, and they were very uncomfortable there. Why? What made them uncomfortable? Okay, so let's write the answer. The answer is the children felt that the kitchen looked very weird. They did not find any washing machine. They did not find any plates, pots, or pans there. When they opened the cupboard and the fridge, they found them empty. In fact, the fridge was not even switched on. These made the children very uncomfortable in the kitchen. Okay, so we have already seen in the chapter the children when they were sitting in the kitchen, the whole kitchen looked very weird, very unique, something different. And this and why did they feel this uniqueness or something different here? Because they did not find any washing machine there, nor any plates, pots, or pans, which were the utensils which were used to cook. Usually, we find all these things in the kitchen, but here children did not find anything here. And when they opened the cupboard there in the kitchen, and they found it empty, and the fridge, even the fridge was empty, and in fact, it was not even connected to the switchboard. So this made the children very uncomfortable in the kitchen because nothing was common at all in the kitchen. Okay, so this is how you can write the answer. Moving on to the next one. Why couldn't the children escape either through the back door or the window? So there was a situation when children were not able to get out of the house even through the back door nor from the window. Why? So answer is the children tried breaking the back door and the window but could not do so. They hit the door with the walking stick but it didn't break. They realized that the glass was unbreakable and both had burglar proof locks. Hence, they could not open either the door or window to escape. right? So when we go to the chapter, we come to know that the children, when they find out that they were aliens and they were caught in the spaceship and they were trying to get out of the house, they tried breaking the back door and the window, but they were not able to do so. So they started hitting the door with the walking stick which they had, but even that did not help them. Like it did not help in breaking the door and windows. Then they realized that the glass which was used there was unbreakable, and they were both burglar proof locks, means which will avoid the thieves to enter inside. So hence they could not open either the door or the window to escape from them. Okay. Moving on to the next one, list the following. So here we are having few questions. We have to just read it out and give the answers of those. So first one is things that were in the kitchen. So just we have to list the things which were there or which they found in the kitchen. So answer is the kitchen was quiet and empty. There were no pots, plates or pans. The cupboards were empty and the fridge that was not working at all. Right? So these were the kitchen which was observed by the children in this form. Like kitchen, it was quiet and empty. No belongings were there. No pots, plates or pans, and the cupboards were empty. The fridge was there, but it wasn't working at all. It was not even connected to the switches. Okay. So the next sub question, unusual features of the Browns. What were the unusual features of the Browns? So answer is Mrs. Brown had 7 fingers on both the hands. Their eyes were completely in one color. They did not have any black centers, right, students? So usually a human being have 5 fingers in each hand, but here Mrs. Brown had 7 fingers, and their eyes were completely in one color, and they did not even had the black centers which a normal human being had. So these were the unusual features. So then moving on to the next sub question, language used by the Browns. What was the language that they were using? They were using alien language and it sounded like hissing and clicking. Right? When we read the chapter, we come to know that the language which they were using was an alien language, and the children could not make out what they are communicating with each other because it sounded like hissing and clicking. That's it. Okay. So moving to next question. Different ways in which the children tried to get out of the house. So we have to list different ways in which the children were trying to get out of the house. Answer is the children tried to open the back door, but it didn't. So they tried to smash the window with the walking stick. Finally, they escaped through the front window by threatening Mrs. Brown. Okay, so we come to know about the children's various attempt which they had taken in order to come out of the house. First they tried to open the back door, but they were not able to do so. Then they tried to smash the window with the walking stick. They failed there too, and then finally they escaped to the front window by threatening Mrs. Brown. So this is how they went out of the house. Okay, so moving on to the next main of the questions, which is there in your textbook. C3, discuss in groups and answer the following questions. Read out the answer to the class. Under this, we have first question. What suspicion did the children have about the Browns and their house? What convincing reasons did Mrs. Brown come up with? Okay, so what suspicion means what doubt did the children had about the Browns when they went in their house, about the Brown and about the house? And what convincing reasons did Mrs. Brown come with? When the children asked this question to Mrs. Brown, what reasons were they giving for the things for the doubts which the children had? Yeah. So here we are having two sub questions here. So let's see paragraph wise. So answer is when the children were left in the kitchen, they found it very odd that there was nothing in the kitchen, no pots, pans or plates. The cupboards were empty, the fridge was empty and disconnected, right? So we have gone across the lesson and we came to know that the children when they were left in the kitchen to sit, they found everything very odd and very unique and very weird because there was no kitchen belongings found there. The cupboard was also empty, and the fridge was also empty, and it was disconnected. And they further saw that Mrs. Brown looked very odd with 7 fingers in each hand, her eyes all in one color. They heard the Browns talking to one another in a hissing and clicking tone. The children who thought till then that the Browns were thieves realized that they were in fact aliens. They were sure of it when they found a large mass of electronic equipment in a cupboard and the doors and the windows locked and unbreakable. Right? Further, when they saw Mrs. Brown, they had 7 fingers in her hand, the eyes was all in one color, and when the language they heard that Mrs. Browns were talking, it was hissing and clicking, which they did not even understand, and which was a language of an alien. And till now, the children were thinking that the Browns were thieves, but now they had realized that they were aliens, and they were very sure about it when they found large amount of electronic equipments in the cupboard, and even the doors and windows which were locked and were unbreakable. So these were the things which made the children suspicion, the doubtful about Mrs. Brown. Now, second part of the question: what convincing reasons did Mrs. Brown came up with? Okay, so when the children questioned Mrs. Brown about the empty kitchen, she said that nothing was stocked since they had just moved in. When the children asked her about the electronic panel in the cupboard, she said that her husband was a scientist and it was a part of his work. The doors and windows were burglar proof and auto closing because they did not want their expensive equipment to be stolen. Okay, so these were the reasons Mrs. Brown gave, that the kitchen was empty because they had just shifted very recently. They have just moved in. Okay, so they had not set up everything. They had no stock of any utensils or any belongings there. Then the children also asked about the electronic panels which were there, which were kept in the cupboard. So again, Mrs. Brown answered that it belonged to her husband because he was a scientist and he needed it, and it was a part of his work. And then the doors and windows were thief and burglar proof, and it was auto closing, means automatically it used to close it, because they did not wanted any expensive equipment to be stolen from their house. So this was the reason, convincing reasons which was given by Mrs. Brown to the children. Okay. So I hope I have made this answer clear. Moving on to the next question. How did Petty become instrumental in saving the teachers and his mates? Okay, we come to know that Petty, a student, a child among the group, was very active and he helped the teachers and his mates, his group members, to come out and save themselves. How? So, answer is Petty outsmarted the aliens. He was the first one to understand that Mrs. and Mr. Brown had drugged the teachers. He immediately grew cautious and kept the walking stick with him for possible confrontations with the Browns. He also cautioned the children not to drink the orange juice. Once the Browns came to know that they could no longer deceive the children, they let out the secret that they were aliens. They also told the children that they would be used in experiments. However, Petty's presence of mind saved them. Right? So Petty was a very outsmart child there. He just outsmarted aliens. He very trickingly he tricked the aliens and he saved everyone, and he was the first among all the students to understand that Mr. and Mrs. Brown had drugged the teachers, and he immediately took very cautious steps, very very courageously and very bravely he took the decision there. He took the walking stick with him, and then he cautioned the children, means he warned the children just not to drink any orange juice which will be offered by Mrs. Brown. And then when Mrs. Brown came to know that the children already were knowing that they were aliens, they let out the secret that yes, they were aliens and the children would be used for experiments. And this is how Petty's presence of mind saved them. Then further, he had seen the equipment being stored in the cupboard and knew that the aliens needed it very badly. So he stood at the cupboard with the walking stick held high threateningly and told the aliens that if they made any wrong move, he would smash the equipment in the cupboard. He took the help of Wayne in controlling the aliens. He asked Wayne to be ready with a chair to spoil everything in the cupboard if the aliens disobeyed his orders. Okay, so he also very actively and courageously took the help of Wayne, one of his friend, and he asked him to keep the walking stick ready, and he started threatening the aliens with it. And he said that if they made any wrong move, he would smash all the equipments which were there in the cupboard because it was needed very badly by the Browns, that is aliens. Then Wayne also helped, and this is how they escaped them. Okay, then at last, once all except Wayne and he had escaped to the back door, he ordered the aliens to go out of the door and close it behind them. After they went out of the door, he ran out with Wayne and escaped being abducted by the aliens. Thus, Petty had a clarity of thought even in crisis and saved not only himself but also all his friends and teachers. Okay, so at last Wayne and he was left out. Means Wayne and Petty was left out, and at last he asked the aliens to go out to the other room and close the door. And as soon as they did that, and this Betty and Wayne jumped out of the window, and thus they saved themselves from the aliens. This is how very cleverly Petty saved the life of his friends and teachers. Okay, so this is how you can write the answers. You can remember in the small paragraphs. I hope I made clear with the question answers, and I hope so this video was informative and helpful for you all. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, do hit the like button. We'll be back soon with more such videos. Thank you.